In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Sheet ID through the Smartsheet user interface. Whether you're organizing projects, tracking progress, or collaborating with your team, knowing how to locate your Sheet ID can be essential for integrating with other applications or automating your workflows. So let's dive right in and make this process easy for you to follow. First things first, you'll need to open the sheet that you're interested in. Simply log into your Smartsheet account and navigate to the particular sheet you're focusing on today. Take a moment to ensure you're working with the correct sheet, as this will minimize any confusion later on. Once you have your desired sheet open and in view, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, let's find the Sheet ID. To do this, you'll need to access the properties of the sheet. You can easily do this by clicking File in the top menu. From there, select Properties, which will bring up a dialog box containing specific details about your sheet. Alternatively, depending on how your interface is set up, you may see a left toolbar where you can click Sheet Actions and then Properties. Either method will lead you to the same place, so use whichever one is most convenient for you. In the Properties dialog box, you'll find a wealth of information about your sheet, but the key piece you're looking for is the Sheet ID. This ID is unique to every sheet and crucial for various integrations and automation processes. Now simply locate the Sheet ID listed there. Many times, it's a combination of letters and numbers designed uniquely for your document. Once you've spotted your Sheet ID, you can copy it for use in other applications or save it as needed. You might find it helpful to jot this down or paste it into a document for easy reference later on. Just make sure you're careful when handling it, especially if you plan to integrate it with other tools or platforms, as entering the wrong ID can cause unwanted disruptions or data mismatches. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found and copied your Sheet ID using the Smartsheet interface. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly integrate this ID into your project workflows, enhancing your productivity and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Remember, knowing how to efficiently locate this information helps streamline your operations and makes you better equipped to handle larger projects. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give this process a try, and feel free to revisit these instructions whenever you need a refresher. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. See you in the next video.